productivity increased. So all these factors contributed to an increased yield or increased productivity, as a result of which we could see a changing countryside, that is जो rural area था वो भी development की तरफ जा रहा था. Now let's move on to the next subtopic. So the next subtopic is differences in rural society. तो अब because of differential access to agricultural technologies या differential access to resources, classes emerged in society. तो अब ये जो नई टेक्नोलॉजीज थी, हर कोई तो इन्हें एक्सेस नहीं कर सकता था बिकॉज दे वर नॉट फ्री ऑफ कॉस्ट. तो जो क्लास इन टेक्नोलॉजीज को अफोर्ड कर सकती थी, दे बिकेम वेल्दी एंड द अदर क्लासेस कंटिन्यूड टू रिमेन पुअर. So there have been different categories of people which have been mentioned in earlier texts. For example, there were landless agricultural laborers, that is वो laborers जिनके पास land नहीं होता था और वो किसी दूसरे के land पे काम करते थे. Then we have small peasants. The peasants means farmers. तो small peasants वो होते थे जिनके पास थोड़ी amount में land होता था and वो वही cultivate करते थे. And then we have the large land owners. Then we have the Tamil Sangam texts which also mention different categories of people. For example, they talk about landowners, plowmen and even slaves. तो अब ये जो second and third category of people थे, they were called Gahapati. So Gaha is the Prakrit form of Greh, which means house. तो Gahapati was the owner and the head of the household. तो अब घर में जितने भी लोग होते थे, फॉर एग्जाम्पल द विमेन ऑफ द हाउस, द चिल्ड्रन, द स्लेव्स, वर्कर्स एट्सेट्रा, सब पर इस गहापति का कंट्रोल होता था. ही वॉज ऑल्सो द ओनर ऑफ ऑल द रिसोर्सेज ऑफ द हाउस होल्ड. इनको पर्टिकुलरली जो लार्ज लैंड ओनर्स हैं उनको आप एलीट भी कह सकते हो. दैट इज द एलीट क्लास. तो अब ऐसे वी गेट टू नो दैट देयर वर डिफरेंसेस एग्जिस्टिंग इवन इन द रूरल सोसाइटी. Now let's talk about some other aspects of control over land, particularly land grants. तो अब grants का मतलब होता है gifts. तो अब land as a gift हर कोई तो दे नहीं सकता. Small peasants were not capable of doing such things. तो land grants देता कौन था? They were the ruling elites, which were the kings. तो लैंड ग्रांट्स के बारे में हमें पता चलता है बिकॉज ऑफ इंस्क्रिप्शंस. जब ये लैंड ग्रांट्स दी जाती थी, दे वर रिकॉर्डेड इन इंस्क्रिप्शंस. सो दीज इंस्क्रिप्शंस दे सर्व्ड एज रिकॉर्ड ऑफ द ट्रांजैक्शन एज वेल. नाउ देयर आर इवन एग्जाम्पल्स वेयर दीज लैंड ग्रांट्स दे वर गिवन टू रिलीजियस इंस्टीट्यूशंस और टू ब्राह्मण्स. अब रिलीजियस इंस्टीट्यूशंस को तो वो ऑब्वियसली रिलीजियस सेंटिमेंट्स की वजह से देते थे, बट ब्राह्मण्स ऑक्यूपाइड अ स्पेशल और डोमिनेंट पोजिशन इन द सोसाइटल स्ट्रक्चर. देयरफॉर पीपल यूज टू गिव लैंड ग्रांट्स टू ब्राह्मण्स ऑल्सो. अब जो बुक है वो मेंशन करती है अबाउट द लैंड ग्रांट्स विच वर मेड बाय प्रभावती गुप्ता. शी वॉज द डॉटर ऑफ चंद्रगुप्त II and was married to an important ruling family in the Deccan. So now there are inscriptions which indicate that Prabhavati had access to land which she gave as gifts. Ab one thing to note here is that उस time पे there was no equality between men and women. तो जो wealthy male थे, they had access to land, but females they did not have access to land. However, this example of Prabhavati Gupta shows that जो laws थे या legal provisions थी, they were not applicable uniformly. तो we can say कि queens के केस में, princesses के केस में, there were certain exceptions made. Right. So the next important observation is that there were regional variations in the land size. तो land grants दिए जाते थे in several parts of the country. However, there were regional variations. For example, कई जगहों पे there were large amount of land which were donated. However, in other areas there were small plots which were donated. So now there is no particular reason why these land grants were made. However, historians have suggested some reasons why kings or the ruling elite engaged in land grants. First, they say that the donation of land was kind of a strategy which was adopted by the ruling elite to extend agriculture to new areas. Another observation made is that this donation of land indicated कि जो किंग की पॉलिटिकल पावर थी वो वीकन हो रही थी, वो डिक्रीज हो रही थी. तो बिकॉज ऑफ दिस डिक्रीज इन पॉलिटिकल पावर, जो किंग्स थे दे यूज टू गिव लैंड टू अदर पीपल सो एज टू मेक अलायंसेस विद देम. तो ताकि ये जो किंग्स थे ये दूसरे किंग्स के साथ या दूसरे पावरफुल ग्रुप्स के साथ अलायंस बना सके, इसलिए वो लैंड ग्रांट्स देते थे. And the third reason why these land grants were made is because the kings wanted to project themselves as powerful. That is, वो लोगों को या दूसरे किंग्स को दिखाना चाहते थे that they have a lot of power, they have a lot of prestige. So this was all about a changing countryside. We'll discuss the next topic in the next video. Thank you so much for watching.